Now we are going to discuss the construction of 60-degree angle using the ruler and compass and its justification. All those angles which can be drawn with the help of ruler and compass, means without using protractor, are called spatial angles. Okay? Spatial angles are basically those angles which can be drawn using compass and ruler. Compass and ruler. Okay? Now, using compass and ruler, we can draw the spatial angles. Second thing is that now how you are going to identify what are spatial angles. So all the spatial angles include all multiples of 15 and half of each of these angle. Like for example, multiples of 15 can be 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. These all are the multiples of 50 degree. So these all angles can be drawn with the help of ruler and compass. And half of each of these angles, means half of 15 degree, 7.5 degree can be drawn. Half of 45 degree, that is 22.5 degree, can be drawn. Half of 90 is 45 degree, can be drawn. So all these multiples of 15 degree and half of each of these angles can be drawn with the help of ruler and compass, and they are called the spatial angles. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the construction of 60 degree angle. So for 60 degree, we will draw a ray, say OA. We have drawn a ray OA. Now, taking some convenient radius means any radius, but it should not be very large radius, or it should not be very small. Some convenient radius, taking center O, draw a semicircular arc intersecting the arm OA at a point, say B. Now with the same radius, that is radius equal to OA, taking center B, draw an arc with the radius equal to OB, with the same radius, that is radius equal to OB, which you have taken previously for drawing the semicircle. Same radius you will take, taking center B, you will draw an arc intersecting the semicircular arc at C. Now join O to C, join O to C, join O to C, you will get the measure equal to this angle, that is angle AOC is equal to 60 degree. Okay, hope you have understood. Now the justification of this, how you can let us quickly discuss the steps of the construction of this angle. Steps of construction, that is, first you have drawn a ray OA, and then taking O as the center and some convenient radius, we have drawn an arc which intersect OA at point B. With the same radius taking center B, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at C, join OC, you will get the angle AOC equals to 60 degree. Now if you are asked to draw an angle equal to 60 degree, then up to this point you have to draw. And in that also, if you are asked to write the steps of construction, only then you have to write these steps of construction. Otherwise, you don't need to write the steps of construction. Now, how you are going to justify that this angle AOC is 60 degree? Okay, this we know we have done the construction of 60 degree, but how we will justify that, or we can verify that AOC is 60 degree, not using protector, without the using protector using geometry, how this can be justified. So for that, what we need to do is, first we need to join BC. So I am drawing with the other pen, that is I am using the marker, so that you are able to distinguish that this is not the part of construction, this is the part of justification only. This you will be doing only if you are asked to give the justification, which is very rarely asked. So first step is join BC. Now if we have joined BC, we have got triangle OBC. In the triangle OBC, in this triangle OBC, we can say that OB is equal to OC. OB and OC are equal. This OB and this OC are equal. Why? Because OB and OC are the radius or radii, because two radii are there. So radii of same arc. OB and OC are the radii of same semicircular arc. That means if we have taken any points on this semicircular arc like B, C, D, E, F, so all these points will be at equal distance from a point O. That is, the distance of point B from point O, that is OB, will be same as the distance of point C from point O. OB and OC will be equal because these are the radii of same arc. Okay, now BC is equal to OB because we have taken a radius and we have drawn an arc from O as well as from B. So they are the arcs of same radius, radii, arcs of same radii, means the arc OB is of same radii, this arc, the radius of the arc OB is same as the radius of the arc BC. So we can say that BC is equal to OB. So this therefore is with this we can say that in triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC equals to BC. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 we can say that all the three sides of this triangle are equal. Therefore triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle. And if triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle, then we know that all the angles of an equilateral triangles are equal and all the angles are equal to 60 degree. Therefore angle BOC will be 60 degree, or angle AOC is 60 degree. So this justifies our construction. Hope you have understood this point. Now what if from B we have taken an arc at C, if we have taken the same radius from C and we have drawn another arc at point D, and from D we can take another arc at point E suppose, then what will happen? Then what will happen? If we join these, what we will get? if we join suppose let it be D and it be E. If we join OD and OE and DC and DE, DC and DE. Suppose if we join OD, OE, DC and DE, then like OBC is an equilateral triangle, in the similar manner OC and OD are the radii of same arc, and CD and OC are the arc of same radii. So similar manner, as we have proved that triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle, similarly we can also prove triangle COD and triangle DOE are equilateral triangles. That means the measure of angle COED will also be 60 degree and the measure of angle DOE will also be 60 degree. So if that is angle COD is 60 degree and angle, this is COD 60 degree and angle DOE is also 60 degree, or we can in turn say that angle DAOD is equal to AOC 60 plus COD 60, that is 120 degree, and angle AOE is equal to 180 degree, because 60 plus 60 plus 60, that is 180 degree. Now if we want to construct 120 degree angle, so in the similar manner we can construct angle AOD is 60 degree 120 degree, and if we want to construct 90 degree, then we will bisect this, and so on. We will discuss about all these constructions 90 degree in all angles in the upcoming exercise.